Yo, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. I am Racino BJJ, and we are bringing you another BJJ breakdown video, this time featuring my buddy Austin, who is a purple belt at the Logic team. And I don't want to talk too much about this. I'm going to let the video speak for itself. It's going to be a very technical, pushing the pace type of roll. So with all those plugs out of the way, let's get into this roll. Here we are, we're going to slap bump, and I know that Austin is very, very explosive, so I want to be able to kind of walk him down and kind of see, as soon as I grab my grips, I want to be able to go, and I don't want to allow him to get his grips and go. So right here, he tries to get in for a single leg, but I'm able to stop it, and I open up the lapels, and I start playing a De La Riva. So I didn't open up the lapels from standing, but I did when I got the De La Riva position. So right here, he's setting up into a dominant passing position, and I'm thinking the knee cut is coming, so what I'm going to do is I'm feeding my left arm to my left leg and setting up the mantis guard. He sees that and backstep passes, gets the crab hook right here, and basically swings me to get the back position. So very, very technical right there. So now I'm in definitely a bad position. So what I'm trying to do is stop his left leg from coming in and getting the second hook for the 4 points. And what I want to do is try to turn into him, but he's doing a good job of grabbing my left sleeve and stopping me from turning this back position into the over-under position that I like to do to escape the back. So right here, I'm taking my left arm, just blocking that lapel right there so he can't get a good grip. And I'm trying to make sure he doesn't get that second hook in for the back points. So right here, he's able to get the second hook in for the back points. I didn't make that elbow knee connection, and he slid that foot in and got that position there. So right here, I'm trying to get my shoulders all the way to the mat and stop him, basically try to escape the position. So I'm able to get out of the position right here. He's in a very dominant knee cut position right here. I'm trying to establish a half guard, trying to frame, push him back. And right here, I try to get a half guard sweep, but he's able to slide that leg through and get the knee cut for the side control position. So already off the rip, I'm down a lot of points, and I have to work from a deficit here. So I'm able to get his leg, trap his right leg right here, and get into a half guard position. And what I'm trying to do is work for a half guard sweep and come up on top and start passing, because I am down by a lot of points. So here we go. I'm able to shimmy my hips, kind of flip him over, get my 2 for the sweep, and now it's time for me to start pouring it on and trying to get the points and make up for the deficit that I'm in. Here I am, I'm working on that his left foot right here, stopping him from getting into a full closed guard position. So what I want to do right here is snake my right foot in, and I'm able to do it. And now I'm going to start setting up my knee cut pass of my own. So I've been watching a lot of Lucas Lepre and trying to figure out how he does his knee cut passes so well. And what I've noticed is that he ducks his head and puts his head under people's chins, grabs the arm. So that's what I'm trying to do right here. As you can see, I'm using my head to stick under his chin while I slide that leg out. And what I'm going to do is back my hips up instead of squaring up to alleviate the space. So he's able to turn and kind of follow me there, and we hit the wall. So we're going to go ahead and reset. But that is one of the things I've been working with the knee cut pass, and it's been very, very helpful for me, using my head to guide under their chin and bringing that leg out and not squaring up, but walking their hips back. So here he's able to get a technical stand up, and we start standing. And this, we've done like 4 or 5 rolls before we actually got a roll. So we're kind of tired, kind of pushing the pace, trying to see what we're gonna do. So here we are. He goes for a single leg while I'm almost going for the guard pull. So he would have gotten the 2 points if I had sat. So that was a very good job by me not letting him do that. But that was a very, very quick single leg that he was going to get if I had if I had pulled guard. So here we're in the closed guard position. He's going to start playing one of my favorite positions right here. As you can see, he goes for a hip bump sweep, but I'm able to keep my posture nice and leveled. As you can see here, I'm not moving too far into him, and I'm using my left hand to check his leg orientation to see what leg is on top, just to have a mental note, so when I start to stand, I know what leg to start going for. So right here, I stand with the just jump straight to my feet, both feet, instead of doing the 1 up 2 up position right here. And right here, he starts to open the guard, and I grab that his right foot to stop him from trying to invert here and get a knee bar position. And all I'm going to do is try to staple that leg and come up on top and try to start passing. So he's still got a dominant grip on my right hand right here, and my leg. He's kind of like in a single leg X type position right here. He almost gets a triangle, but I'm able to posture up and start to walk my right foot out. I'm trying to break that grip he has right there, and now it's time for my over under position. This is a position that I love, near and dear to my heart. It's one of my favorite passing positions. So what I'm trying to do is basically clear his left leg and get my arm under and start to go for the over under position. As you can see here, I'm able to duck that arm under, and now I'm in over under passing position, and this is what I like to do right here. So I'm just pouring the weight on and trying to angle right here, and I'm going to step that foot clear as soon as I'm able, and now I've passed into side control here. So I'm just trying to walk up and solidify the side control position here, and I'm going to start to try to get my right arm out, but he's doing a good job of holding the right arm, stopping me from getting my head closer. So right here he's able to roll and come up on top. I'm too far on his back and he's able to chuck me off, and now it's just, there's 10 seconds left and we're just trying to go for it, and right here I end up on the bottom, but that is the end of the roll. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of the roll. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Whenever I roll with Austin, he's very, very technical. He always pushes the pace, so he's definitely a good rolling partner to make sure that your skills and timing are up to snuff. A few of the takeaways, when I was, as you can see from the video, I was in a deficit. I was, I had to work out of very bad positions. He was on my back. He passed my guard. And I would just say one of the takeaways is trusting in your frames, being calm and relaxed, and seeing your opportunities to get sweeps and start to come back on top and start to play your game. As you can see, I was able to get a half guard sweep, come up on top, and start to work my passing that I love to do. And that is pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys liked the video once again, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.